We have strong knowledge of Office 365, backup and recovery, Tier 1 to 3 support, from desktop end user to server rack management, switches setup and repairs, Square Up POS installation services, laptop and motherboard replacement, SSD and HDD replacement, VoIP repair and setup, Cat5e, Cat6, structured cabling, and so much more. IP camera installations, system board replacement, Lenovo certified technicians, CCTV alarm systems, fiber cabling, IT service delivery, project management professional, smart home, with the help of offshore software outsourcing services in Canada. We can delegate a wide range of software development tasks to an offshore software service provider by saving a lot of time and effort on hiring, managing, and maintaining a software development team, as well as the cost associated with all these. Our office address is at 1868 Rose Street, Regina, S4P 3Y9SK, and our telephone number is +1 306 992 9020. Website addresses are cloud7itservices.ca and store.cloud7itservices.com.